Whoa. What's going on, Wolfpack? It's Matt Wolf. I'm back with another banger. Whoa. Shout out to the Wolfpack. Listen, if it's your first time checking out the channel, damn, I'm getting tongue twisted already. If it's your first time checking out the channel, I'm Matt Wolf, firearm instructor. Cool individual, man. Hit the like button, man. Listen, if you find anything useful in this video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Let's get into it, man. You clicked this video for a reason, right? Either A, you're looking for a good budget weapon light, and you saw the Feyachi, and you were like, oh, let me just see what it does. Or B, you about to buy the Feyachi and you don't want to know, so you checking it out first. Let's get into it, man. Shout out to the good folks at Feyachi. Listen, the best customer service you can get. Fast shipping, etc. So if you're looking for a weapon light, right? You have a rifle, a carbine, or whatever you want. You can even use this without the weapon, right? 1200 lumens, right here. Look no further. Boom! WL25 by Feyachi. Listen, the best bang for your buck is right here. I have Surefires, I have Streamlights. The best bang for your buck is right here. The best bang for your buck is right here. Listen, right now on Amazon, right now, the same light. I'm looking up right now, so I'm not capped. $48.44. $48.44. All right, so let's get into the unboxing, man. What they got in here? This is what it looks like when you get it. Instructions, look at that. Think of a beauty. You get instructions, it tells you the operating modes, strobe, etc., etc. You get some mounting hardware for M-Lock. You get your battery charger with straps. Ooh, with the straps. What's this? Your cable systems for the charger. See, this is why I like Feyachi. You can get, they're rechargeable batteries. Yeah, they last an hour and a half continuous use, but you just pop them on a charger and you're good to go. Or you can get more batteries and you'll never run out. Come with 2 rechargeable batteries. Let's get it though. Look, they comes with this. This is the pressure pad switch with the tail cap and the mount. So this mount comes standard with to put on Picatinny rails. Look at that. What I noticed about the buttons, they have some good texture, real grippy texture. Yeah, it feels good. The continuous button and the temporary feels good. I like the beveling around this, you know, to keep it from being pressed accidentally. But the quality feels good, man. Not for the light. It is some weight to it. I think it's like 4 point something ounces. Feels good. The quality feels nice. Tail cap, I love the tail cap, the feedback I get from it. You can mount this straight to your firearm. I'm gonna mount it Picatinny. I'm actually using this for a gun I just picked up. So yeah, let's see how it looks when we load it up, man. Let's see how it looks. This is all y'all need right here. This is all you need right here. Oh, look at that. You get an extra battery. It takes 1. You have an extra one. Just keep one charged. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. That is bright. I told y'all, man. I already knew this was going to be high quality. I already knew it. Strobe feature. I already knew it was going to be high quality. It's bright outside right now. We're going to take it outside and conduct the rest of the test when the sun goes down. And you guys will see that here shortly. This is great. It feels high quality. I have a light, a stream light that I use. And I have another stream light I use at work, my duty light. It looks just like this. It's literally the same profile. I love the look. It's aggressive, but sleek at the same time. But yeah, that is bright. I'm gonna take it outside and conduct the test. All right, I'm in my backyard. It's messy. So the instructions say you're supposed to charge it before first use, and I didn't charge it. I want you guys to see how it comes right out the box in case you need to use it, and you might not have enough time to charge it. So this is what it looks like. I don't know if the camera can catch it, but it's pretty bright. I'm gonna show it up high. It's pretty bright, goes pretty far. Let me see if I can get it to go further on camera. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it goes pretty far. Pretty far, pretty bright. For the price point, you can't beat this. It also has multiple modes. Strobe mode. I don't want to do that because the house is over there, but yeah. So let me know what you guys think, man. For me, I think you should definitely buy this. 100%, no brainer. All right, so I went to the beach today. Bought the flashlight. I'm gonna do a little torture test, put in some sand. It's an IPX4 rating, so that means it's rated for like heavy rain. And we're gonna see, we're gonna compact it and see what happens. Drop it, so I'm gonna leave it on. Turned off. Now, I don't know if it hit the button. All right, still on. I'm gonna drop it again. I'm gonna throw it down. I'm gonna drop it from about 5 feet. It's on. Still on. Let me drop it tail side now from 5 feet. Still on. All right, let me go up to 6 feet. That's my height. Still on. Still on. Okay. Next, we're gonna bury it. Let's see if it works. And the reason I'm using sand is because it's very gritty. It can get into small crevices and possibly defeat the gaskets that keeps it secure. I'm gonna give it some damage while compacting it. Still on. Let's do it again. Hey, I'm heavy-handed. I'm smacking the shit out of it. Still on. Okay. All right. Let's test that IPX4 rating. So IPX4, I said before, is rated for heavy rain. So let's do a little splash. That's actually more than heavy rain, but let's test it out. Let me push the button, see if water gets worked through any gaskets or anything like that. All right. Let's see it again. I'm submerging it. It says not to submerge, but I just submerged it and it's fine. Look. It says not up, it's flickering. Still running. Still running. Yeah, IPX4 says do not submerge. It's strictly for heavy rain, but look at that. Look at that. This Feyachi holds, man. I'm telling you guys. I'm telling you guys, this Feyachi holds. Let me try to take it a little deeper. I want to do this to the point that it fails. I want to see the failure point of this. Completely under. Still completely under. Still completely under. Still completely under. It's not failing. Still completely under. So you guys see, you know, people sleep on these. They think just because it's the low price point that it's garbage, but it's not. Still works. All right, I'm gonna toss it up now, see if it can handle a high fall. Let's see. Still on. Hey man, don't be looking at my feet either. Still on. So the drop resistant is not capped. Still works. I'm gonna toss it super high. Whoa! Still runs.